that we are challenged to do is to keep this movement moving.
Yes, y'all. You are now in tune to the sounds of the legendary foundation.
Well, you know, when you think of the Second Chance Act, you have to be aware of the fact that the United States of America, my country, our country, is the most heavily incarcerated nation on the face of the earth per capita. That is, we have more people in the United States who are in jail or prison based upon the numbers of people in our population than any other nation on the face of the earth. And Second Chance, I mean, it's been a good process. It's a bipartisan piece of legislation. It's had great debate in both the House and the Senate. It's had tremendous support from all kinds of groups and organizations. Of course, the House passed it with a healthy vote of about 300, I think, and 40-something to 60 or so against, something like that, but a tremendous vote. And then the Senate passed it with unanimous consent a couple weeks ago, or not long ago. The president should sign it any day now. You know that song that the blues singer used to sing? Any day now, you will hear me say goodbye, my love. Well, any day now, we're looking for the president to sign it and for this money to become available and people to get on with programs and activities to help this large number of individuals coming home from jail and prison. Thinking about the 2008 presidential election reinforces one's sense of pride about the growth and development of America, while at the same time shedding light on the fact that America still has a tremendous amount of melting to do before we become the true melting pot that we like to talk about. We are either going to elect for President of the United States a war hero who spent time in a prisoner of war camp, or we're going to elect a woman, which is something we've never done, or we're going to elect a black man, which is something that we've never done. And so one would have to be proud of their country, in a sense. Not proud in terms of saying that we have reached the formation of this more perfect union, but we are on our way. They said they wanted to form a more perfect union. We are a long way from the perfection of that union, but these kinds of things gives us hope and belief that we're still on the way. We're very fortunate in our congressional district because our district is a health mecca. There are more hospitals and hospital beds in the 7th Congressional District of Illinois than any other congressional district in America. We have 4 medical schools. We have more than 20 colleges and institutions of higher learning. And so we've got 2 Veterans Administration hospitals. We have a large network of community health centers. So healthcare resources We have the largest medical center complex over at the University of Illinois, Rush Presbyterian St. Luke's, Cook County Hospital. You can't, all of this, the West Side VA, all of it is right there together. But we also have some of the most dire health problems and needs that exist in Western civilization. We have some of the highest infant mortality rates in some neighborhoods and communities that you will find. We have individuals, some of the highest incidences of HIV and AIDS in the Austin community, which is the community where I live. We have every conceivable health need that exists on the face of the earth. And of course, we are working to try and meet those challenges and try and meet those needs. But the needs are still there. And so we need to reinforce our efforts. We need to get more people who are willing to help. And we need to keep trying to develop systems that are going to meet the needs of everybody. And that's why I'm in favor of a national health plan or national health insurance where everybody is in, nobody is out. And we need to make sure that every person in our country has access to quality, comprehensive health care without regard to their ability to pay for it. Because health is actually wealth, and if we are a healthy society, a healthy community, then we are also a wealthy society and a wealthy community.
Stop what you're doing and set it in motion. It's the next movement. You listen and stop what you're doing and set it in motion. It's the next. And yes, y'all.